effect until 6. The National Weather Service in Lincoln has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northern Vermilion County, northeastern Champaign County, until 7 p.m. At 5:55 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Buckley, or 7 miles northeast of Paxton, moving southeast at 20 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 70 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Severe weather has been confirmed by train spotters. The following impacts are expected. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect considerable tree damage. Wind damage is also likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Power outages are likely. This severe thunderstorm will be near Rankin around 6:15 p.m. Other locations in the path of the severe thunderstorm include Rossville and Potomac. A severe